Hey guys, so I want to talk to you. Sitting in the car right now waiting for mom. But a few things. One, I don't know whether to do like one big long vlog a week because my Wi-Fi sucks. So uploading is awful. Like it takes like hours, literally hours. Like I'm talking like 4 or 5 hours. So whether to do that once a week, because when it takes 4 or 5 hours, it knocks out Netflix and all that, and then of course the rest of my household's like, ah. So I'm thinking of just doing one big vlog a week. I know I don't really have any subscribers, so asking you guys what you think is kind of like meh. But I think I might do one big vlog a week, one big giant vlog a week, I don't know. I'm still thinking. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about is I was on Facebook. You guys know that my parents are separated. And my dad, I don't want to say too much because in case he watches this, he's a good dad to a point. He's a better dad now than he was when we left. But my cousin put on, if there was one thing in life that you could go back in time and fix, what would it be? And my dad put on, I'd go back in time and try and fix my marriage. That was like a punch to the freaking heart. My dad, he's a good dad. Don't get me wrong. He's a great dad. And the fact that he's there for me if I need him. You know, if I ever need something, he's there. I know I can always talk to him about things. You know, he really is my best friend. But when we were back at, because now me and mom live in an apartment, we were back at the house, he wasn't the nicest and caring person. And, you know, I gotta give him some credit because he was in a lot of pain all the time because he has a messed up hip and his messed up knee and a messed up back. So he was in a lot of pain a lot of the time. And when he was working, because he's not working anymore, when he was working, his boss was a complete asshole. Like a big freaking asshole. So I gotta give him credit. I mean, he was under a lot of stress and stuff like that. But at the same time, you know, I get blamed for everything. I was always yelled at. I was always screamed at. I was verbally and emotionally abused by him. Like I said, he probably will never watch this, thank God. But he is a great dad. Now that we've left, he's an amazing father. Which I think made him realize, you know, what he was like back at the house, what he was like with me. Because now, I mean, we still get into our arguments. I mean, big whoop, every child and their parent argues, right? We still have our arguments, but he's a so much better father than he was. Like I said, he's like my best friend. One of my best friends. So I don't know. It kind of made me... Hey, Mom.
Teresa.
I'm vlogging right now.
You're wondering what a jackhammer looks like right there. I've never seen one before.
Oh, yeah. They're weird.
I guess it's two guys, so I would assume have to run it, but maybe just one. Who knows?
Say hi.
Hello. Can't see me, but hello.
So, yeah, I thought I'd just talk to you guys about that. Because it was bugging me. It is bugging me. I feel kind of bad and upset.
What's
So, where I live, a tornado touched down. This is the aftermath. My vlogging camera sucks, so ignore that. But
trees and shit coming down. On the outside, not so much, but. And this is like a week after the tornado.
yeah, this is like a week after.
Yeah. Split that pole right off.
Split the pole.
And this is just a little teeny bit of what happened. There's another pole that split over there, hydro pole.
Move your finger.
Laying in the dirt. It's the tree that got chopped down, the one that got ripped up right up by the roots.
Tree that came down, ripped up.
There's another one.
There's another one.
See, and yes, this is you can see how big the tree was
Shit.
that got taken. It's like an F1, F2 tornado that hit.
Oh wait, stop for a second.
Get a dinosaur stuck to his truck. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, you can't really see it, but there's a dinosaur stuck to that truck.
A T-Rex.
So yeah, F1, F2 tornado.
And this is the
Touchdown.
mild part.
Yeah, this is the mild part of it.
Most of it happened about 20 minutes away from Simcoe. Half an hour away from Simcoe. It's just the edge of it.
So that's southern Ontario?
Southwestern Ontario.
Southwestern Ontario for you.
Oh, Teresa.
What? What? I'm coming.
Chocoholic. Naked Peach. It's a Testers. Oh, that one. That's
Pretty.
Those are cool colors. I like those.
Dazed.
Yeah.
I like the peach punch.
Peach Punch.
Yeah, that's mine. Those are my colors right there. Peach scent, chocolate scent.
Oh, really? Okay, wow. Let's see here. Okay, we can't do that either. I guess we just lean down and sniff.
It does kind of smell like chocolate.
This one I can't even open. That's because it's still got the tape across it. It's a tester, but it's got the tape across it.
It kind of smells like peaches. You want one you want one that smells like peaches? You go my Too Faced
Oh, I know.
peach palette.
This one doesn't smell like anything.
No.
It shouldn't.
No,
How do you know they smell like?
because it says it right there.
Oh, okay. I just like the colors in that. I think that's cool.
I know, how funky.
There's another one here too. Sunsets.
No, I like the peach colors.
You like peach color? You like the white colors.
I like the bleh colors.
Chocolate scented.
Look at all the nail polish.
Oh, it's lip stuff. It's chocolate scented. Infallible. Lipstick. Chocolate scented. Ooh.
Wow.
What?
Hey guys, so I just gave blood. Blood. And now I'm about to edit this vlog. I still have one to go up before this, and then this one will go up. I'm still deciding whether or not to do once a week or a couple times a week, or just put them up as I get them up. you know, just kind of like a couple times a week probably will end up being it. Video is going up on my main channel on Sunday. It's going to be every Sunday. It's going to go up on main channel. And this week I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. I think I know what it's going to be, so I don't want to spoil it yet until I know which one it's going to be. So, talk to you guys later.